There is two people born in a hospital every day. There is one person born in a hospital who's going to get a job, and then there's somebody born in a hospital who's going to give him a job. But you get to decide, which one are you going to be? Hi everybody, this is Life with Leonard and welcome to another episode. On this channel I strive to motivate and inspire you to become the best version of yourself. And today's episode is really no different. I'm going to be sharing with you the keys to success. Now these are principles that I've used and I'm still using in my life on a daily basis. You know, success means different things to different people. Now you might have heard some of these lessons before, but there's a difference between knowing a lesson and living a lesson. Now, I think the first thing that I need to just clarify is that education is important. I believe in it, I encourage it. But success has nothing to do with education. Why do I say that? You know, there's nothing wrong if you want to be, or maybe you are a doctor or a lawyer or a scientist or an engineer. And as I say, I firmly believe in education myself. I encourage it in my own home. But what if you are like you and me, the average Joe? What if you have learning disabilities or you are dyslexic? What if you had numerous businesses and they've all failed? What if you are over 60 or maybe 70? Is it too late? What if you have a criminal record? What if you are divorced or in the process of getting divorced? And I can go on. Does that really mean that you are not meant to be successful? I'm going to be sharing with you 6 keys to success in life. Call it what you want. These are things that I have used, that I'm still using to this day. But before we get to today's episode, please remember to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, to share it, and leave your comments in the comments section below. And thank you so much for everybody that's joining us for the very first time. If this is your first time, it's easy to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And please remember to hit the all notifications, and that way you will be notified whenever I upload new content. And as usual, please remember to like, comment and share. That's good for the YouTube algorithms, and that way we will grow and we will be able to reach more people who you and I know can benefit from the contents of these videos. The first principle to live by is that one day you'll be gone. The realization that this earth is not your permanent destination. It may take 10, 20 or even 60 years, maybe 60 weeks, maybe next week, or maybe even today. I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. And rather than live in fear of this, we should embrace the fact that life is short and unpredictable. Knowing this, we must live fully today. It is not a recipe for recklessness, rather a recipe to give your all today, to give your very best today, in everything you do, to give your greatest energy to this day, to your family, to everyone you encounter today. It is a reminder for you to live your best self in each moment. What if they couldn't speak to you tomorrow? What if you were gone tomorrow? What would they speak of you? People might forget what you said or what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. It's about carving your name in their hearts, not on tombstones. You know, when it comes to success, we always tend to think that success has a lot to do with the tangible stuff. But it's never about what you leave for people, but what you leave in people, how you touch them, how you inspire them through your faith and your character. And principle number 2 is don't place the key to your happiness in someone else's hand. This is so important if you want to be successful in life. You have to be firstly content with who you are. Be happy with who you are and what the good Lord has blessed you with. You know, you always get these people, friends, acquaintances, colleagues, call it what you may, that come to you and always brings these stories because they can see the good in you. They can see the potential in you. You know, you should do what I did. I also had people like that in my circle, but I cut them loose. I asked the person the one day, I said, don't tell me what they said about me. Tell me, why are they so comfortable to say it around you? Nothing will make you happy until you choose to be happy. No person will make you happy unless you decide to be happy. Your happiness will not come to you, it can only come from you. You should be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good in everything. Happiness depends more on the inward disposition of mind than outward circumstances. And number 3 is adversity is part of life. Now this one goes without saying. If you want to be successful, you have to accept the fact that success doesn't come easy. Adversity is part of this process. Otherwise, everybody would have been successful. You know, my parents always taught me that there's nothing that you cannot be, nothing that you cannot do, and nothing that you cannot have. Now, this coming from people at the time, I mean, I've shared this with you all before. I grew up on a farm during apartheid, the worst place that you could be at the time. Yet they had this beautiful, positive outlook on life. They always reminded me that God has blessed me so that I can be a blessing unto others. I couldn't and I didn't understand it at the time, because at the time I only saw this huge mountain, this challenge, the oppression, and all the negativity around me. But they saw something else. Adversity grows you, molds you, so you become wise in it. You learn perseverance and resilience, and the list goes on. And whatever life throws at you, always remember, don't allow your circumstances to define you. Don't give in to it. Allow it to grow and to help you to become a better person. So that one day you can do what I'm doing at this very moment. That I can share experiences with you. I can uplift you. I can encourage you wherever you are. If I could do it, and I mean, our circumstances might be different, but the bottom line is, the principle is all the same. Don't give up. Don't give in. Keep on going. Tomorrow is another day. The sun will shine again. And number 4 is be yourself. If you want to be successful in life, please listen to me carefully. Be yourself. Always. No exceptions. Never be bullied into silence. Never allow yourself to be made a victim. Accept no one's definition of your life, but define yourself. It's such a tragedy to see so many people on this planet living lives they don't want to live, just because they listen to other people who did the same. The only way you can be happy in this life, the only way you can be successful, is to be you. You will never be truly happy in life if you are constantly doing things to please others, to compete with others, or to be like others. You are unique, wonderfully and fearfully made. This is your greatest gift. When you follow your path, regardless if that fits with others, you open up space for great things to enter your life. Run your own race. Compare yourself to no one. Compete with no one. Make your own decisions, and it will lead to your greatest life. And before I get to the 5th key to success, let me just remind you to please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, and leave your comments in the comments section below. As you know, it's good for you to like, share, and comment. That's good for the YouTube algorithms, and that way we will grow and we will be able to reach more people who you and I know can benefit from the contents of these videos. And you all know by now it's easy to subscribe. Just click on that subscriber button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and please remember to hit the all notifications, and that way you will be notified whenever I upload new content. Now, the 5th key to success: to protect your spirit from contamination, you must limit the time that you spend around toxic and negative people. Now, don't be fooled by their smiles. You know, the success in your life will always stir up the jealousy in other people's lives. And many a times you look for the enemy outside, but they are much closer than what you think. In your circle of friends, amongst your colleagues, those who declare their deep commitment and friendship towards you, you must be very, very careful. You will pick up the signs here and there. You know, they are the same type of people who never really respect your opinion. They will have a problem for every solution. They are the ones who will ask you for your opinion, but that will have a problem if you don't agree with them, subtly in the beginning. But you must be careful. You should stray away from them. Cut yourself loose. Be careful who you share your dreams with. Not everyone who smiles with you are happy with you and for you all the time. You must just be careful. And also don't dim your light to fit in with others. No, you shine bright. Think about that song, Shine Bright Like a Diamond. Who sings it again? I can't, for the life of me, it slipped my mind. Please leave in the comment section below the artist who sings that song, Shine Bright Like a Diamond. You know, so you don't dim your light to fit in with others. And those who see your spark, they will shine and celebrate and be happy with and for you. You know, you can't have a great life. You can't live a successful life if you surround yourself with negative and toxic people. And last but not least, is that everything you need is already within you. You know, in this world we see endless examples of people who seemingly have it all, materially speaking, but they are empty inside. You know, things will never complete you. And real happiness is never found outside of us. It's never found in possessions or wealth. Real happiness is always and only found within us. And happiness is the highest level of success. Thank you so much, everybody, for once again joining me on today's episode. I always say it, but I mean it. I really enjoy spending time with you all. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, to share it, and leave your comments in the comments section below. It's easy to subscribe. Please just hit that subscriber button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and remember to hit the all notifications, and that way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.